Hello, Sweet Swine County. This is Clarice Plow, head reporter for Hidden Away, Not Forgotten. We have lots of people, places, and things to do. My team of reporters and I have been traveling throughout our story country in search of big stories in small towns.
Located in Waseca County, Christensen Tire Service in Waseca, Minnesota, was established in January of 1974 in the original downtown location by Swede Lundberg. At that time, Christensen's main focus was retreading car and truck tires, which were sold and delivered to accounts across southern Minnesota. In 1978, the property was then sold to the Erickson family, who relocated it to 1372 South State Street. The retreading equipment was sold and monies were used to purchase an alignment rack, tire changers, and tire balancers. Their focus shifted to front end and underbody sales and has grown to include a wide variety of services from oil changes to engine replacements. They purchased the Countryside Motors building in downtown Waseca in December of 2008, moving from a 5,000 square foot facility to a 15,000 square foot facility. Since they moved, the main focus has been on auto repairs and the sales of tires for cars and trucks. They still service the farm community, but on a smaller scale. They also service a number of local trucking companies. The next time you're in Waseca, Minnesota, be sure to stop into Christensen Tire Services for all your tire and automotive needs. Christensen Tire Services, Waseca, Minnesota.